Welcome to our channel. Today we're sharing 10 practical tips to help you save money in your everyday life. Whether you're looking to build your savings, pay off debt, or just manage your finances better, these tips will help you achieve your goals. Let's get started. Tip 1. Create a budget. Start by tracking your income and expenses. Use a budgeting app or a simple spreadsheet to categorize your spending. This will help you see where your money is going and identify areas where you can cut back. Remember, the key to successful budgeting is consistency. Review your budget regularly and adjust as needed. Tip 2. Cut unnecessary subscriptions. Review your monthly subscriptions and cancel any that you don't use regularly. This includes streaming services, magazines, and gym memberships. You'd be surprised how much you can save by eliminating services you rarely use. Consider sharing subscriptions with family or friends to split the cost. Tip 3. Cook at home. Eating out can be expensive, and the costs add up quickly. By cooking your meals at home, you can save money and eat healthier. Plan your meals for the week, make a shopping list, and stick to it. Try batch cooking and freezing meals for busy days. Not only will you save money, but you'll also reduce food waste. Tip 4. Use cashback apps. These apps offer cashback on your purchases, helping you save money on things you already buy. Popular apps like Rakuten, Ibotta, and Honey can give you a percentage of your purchase back when you shop through their links. It's an easy way to save money without changing your shopping habits. Tip 5. Buy in bulk. Purchasing non-perishable items in bulk can save you money in the long run. Items like toilet paper, canned goods, and cleaning supplies are often cheaper when bought in larger quantities. Just make sure you have enough storage space and that you'll use the items before they expire. Tip 6. DIY repairs. Learn to do basic home repairs yourself. This can save you money on service calls and labor costs. There are plenty of online tutorials and videos that can guide you through common repairs, such as fixing a leaky faucet or changing a light bulb. Investing in a basic toolkit can also be a cost-effective way to handle minor repairs. Tip 7. Energy efficiency. Use energy-efficient appliances and light bulbs to reduce your utility bills. Simple changes like switching to LED bulbs, using a programmable thermostat, and sealing drafts around windows and doors can make a big difference. Not only will you save money, but you'll also reduce your environmental footprint. Tip 8. Secondhand shopping. Buy used items instead of new. Thrift stores, garage sales, and online marketplaces like eBay and Facebook Marketplace are great places to find bargains. You can often find high-quality items at a fraction of the cost of new ones. Plus, buying secondhand is a more sustainable choice. Tip 9. Plan meals. Meal planning helps you avoid last-minute takeout and reduces food waste, saving you money on groceries. Plan your meals for the week, make a shopping list, and stick to it. Preparing meals in advance can also save you time during busy weekdays. Tip 10. Avoid impulse purchases. Before buying something, ask yourself if you really need it. Waiting 24 hours before making a purchase can help you avoid unnecessary spending. Make a list of items you need and stick to it when shopping. This simple strategy can help you save money and make more mindful spending decisions. Thanks for watching. If you found these tips helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more money-saving advice. Share this video with your friends and family to help them save money too. See you in the next video.